On August 20th, Black Myth: Wukong was released. I believe many people have already started playing the game. In today's video, I will discuss how to record game videos for Black Myth Wukong. So if you have made some great moves in Black Myth Wukong and want to post a game video on your YouTube channel, this video is perfect for you. I will introduce a very practical screen recording software and explain how to use it to record game videos. Okay, it is UniFab Screen Recorder. It can record screen in high definition, capturing every detail. Contains multiple recording modes, including recording full screen, specific area, target window capture, or game mode. Provides 60 frames per second recording and multiple functions, and will provide AI editing tools in the future. Next, let's enter the software and see how to operate it. We can see that the interface of Screen Recorder is very simple. There are 4 modes displayed at the top of the software: Display, Window, Area, and Game. We select the game and can see that it automatically displays the opened applications. Here you can select the output audio device and choose whether to record the microphone audio. Open the settings. You can modify the parameters you want in the settings. In the game, we choose to use high frame rate recording. There are also mouse and hotkey settings here. Okay, the clock icon here can be used to schedule the recording time and duration. Okay, now we are in the game. Click to start recording. Here, Screen Recorder will count down and provide you with some shortcut keys. Okay, here we can see some buttons: stop recording, pause recording, re-record, cancel audio output, mark time points, take notes, and take screenshots. Next, let's enjoy the images recorded by Screen Recorder. We can see that the recording effect is very clear and truly restores the game scene. Okay, what do you think of the performance of UniFab Screen Recorder? If you like to record your game process and upload it to YouTube, search UniFab now and click on our product page. There are more AI products here. You can see the price of our products here. The current price is $39.99 per year, and the price of lifetime is $69.99. You can also purchase 2 functions at a more favorable price. If the frame rate of the video you recorded is not enough, you can pay attention to our Smooth AI, which can increase the frame rate of your video and have a good effect. At the same time, if you want to have clearer picture quality, you can pay attention to Upscaler AI, which can restore your video to 4K quality. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.